Hey guys, I'm here with a few hauls. Hubby's going to be coming in a minute, so if you hear some noises, that's all it is. It's just him. So I have, I know it's been a while, but we've been pretty busy. So I got, let's see, hauls from, I have a little bit of stuff from Marshall's, a little bit of stuff from Tuesday Morning, and a little bit of stuff from Dollar Tree. So I'll start with Tuesday Morning. They had quite a few of Martha Stewart's stuff on sale. Excuse Franny. She's a barky butt today because it's storming. So she doesn't like thunder. So she barks at it. Okay, let's see what all we got here. Alright, so we'll start off with this. This is glitter. It's white gold and it was 99 cents. You can see the price. So it's got the a little spout there that you can pull from. And I also got the white, I think it's white. No, it's called crystal, but it's white. So I got that. And I also got smoky quartz. So there's those. And then I got these. I thought these were so pretty. It's Downton Abbey, but they're just charms, and they were $2.99. But they're really pretty. They're kind of all over the place, but you can still see them pretty good. Oops. $2.99 for those. And then they also had these distress inks on sale for $1.49, the Tim Holtz distress ink. So I got Antique Linen, which is this one. And I got Wild Honey. I can't tell which way to go. And then I got Blueprint Sketch, which is blue. And then I got Squeezed Lemonade. And then I got Forest Moss. And Picked Raspberry, just the red color. And then I got Abandoned Coral, which is just, I don't know, a red color. Okay, and that's all of those that I got. They had tons of these distress inks. But I didn't want to go too overboard on money spending. So I just got those. Okay, and then I also found these little stars. They were 99 cents. They had silver and gold, and I got the silver from Jolie's Boutique. They were 99 cents. There's 12 of them in there, and they're cute. And I got these. I thought these were real cute. They're little bugs or something. Yeah, they're little bugs, and they're like 3D or whatever you want to call it. But look at them. They're so cute. Okay. And then I got a few more things here that are crafty or whatever you want to call it. I got these buttons. They're wood buttons. There's 12 of them. They were $1.49. It says Family Fun, Sunset, Love, Always Smile, Art, and then question mark, and the rest exclamation point. The rest of them are just designs. But there's 12. And they were $1.49. And then I got these zombie stickers because I thought if I do a deconstructed art journal page in the deconstructed art journal journaling group on Facebook. For Halloween, I could use this. And then I also got this one. It's like a 3D house and a moon for $1.49. And then I also got spider webs and spiders. Spiders. I'm scared of spiders. Ew. What the? They have like paper legs or something. It's weird. And their bodies are fuzzy. Okay, got those. Those were 99 cents. So, got those. And then I also got some liquid pearls. I've never had any of these, so I thought I would try them. They were $2.99 for 3 colors. Whew, sorry. And got some more pumpkin spice, but this is actual coffee. So instead of cappuccino, we got coffee. It was $6.99 for 18 of them. And then hubby saw these at the checkout counter. So we picked them up. They're just brownie batter, little thin cookies. They were $2.99. Says brownie batter, Thinster's difference, no artificial ingredients. I can't quit yawning. Peanut, allergen friendly, no corn syrup, and no GMOs. Deliciously crunchy cookies. Broken pieces and crumbs. Don't forget to save your broken pieces and crumbs for a great ice cream topper. Talk to Mrs. Thinster. So they're just Mrs. Thinster's cookie thins. They were good. Okay, and then I got some of this stuff for work. It's the classic sweet and salty Popsies sea salted crunchy healthy snacks kettle corn, gluten free and non-GMO. So I got that. I thought take it to work. Some of it $1.99 for a big old bag. It's a pretty good sized bag. So it's 8 ounces. Okay, and then I got this bag too. Sweet, salty, kettle popped corn. It was $1.99 also. Says American Farmer All Natural Sweet Salty Kettle Popped Corn. Has the dude with the tractor and the rooster, and it's nut free, non-GMO, and what else? No trans fat, whole grain, 100% whole grain, and this one's 7 ounces. So looks like that might be it from Tuesday morning. So moving along to Marshall's. This is just from today. I had to go get some stuff done today, so we picked this up, which last time we were there we picked up it was a peanut butter cup kind, and it is so good. So we went back. It was on clearance for $5, so we went back today to see if they had any more, and they did not. So we found this one. It was $5. It's French vanilla, and it says there's 18 of them, and it says classic vanilla with creamy custard and caramel flavor. So there's 18 K-cups in there. It looks good. Husband tasted it and said it was good. We got 2 of them. He said it was good. I haven't tried it yet. And then I also got these decorative string lights. There's 10 feet of lights, and it has a built-in 4-hour timer, and they were $5.50. They were on clearance for $5.50. And whoops, and if you see, they light up. Pretty neat. There's 10 feet of it, so I figured I'll find something to do with them. I love the lights and stuff around the house. Makes the house feel homey. And then I also got this Paris Hilton Heiress body mist. And it smells so good. It was $6.99. And it is 8 fluid ounces. And it smells so good. It's kind of florally, so if you don't like floral scents, you probably won't like this. But I like it. It smells really good. My husband likes it too. So, okay, I think that's it for Marshall's. And now the Dollar Tree. We didn't get much from either place, so. Okay, I just got one of these little glass cutting boards. I was looking for the square one, but they did not have it. Oh, crap. And then I got these little votives because I'm going to be doing a DIY. I saw some lady do it, and I'm going to do it, and I'll probably make a video on that. And we also just got one of these here, whatever you call it. What do you call these? I don't know. What do you call these?
Plug adapters.
A plug adapter. Got one of those. And then I got these laptop stickers. It says think happy, be happy. They're really cute. So I got those. Think happy, be happy. And I got these friendship stickers with the bird and the butterflies. It says thank you. I love those. They're really cute. And oops. Then I got the nature one. Really cute. And then I got the travel one because I'm supposed to be going to see the beach or the ocean sometime this year, I hope. So it says travel, welcome to paradise, and it says beach. It has a suitcase, and it says adventure on the road again, and it has the little car with the travel sticker. I thought that was cute. And then I got two. Yeah. I got two of these bird and flower lace stickers. I thought they were pretty. And then I got two of these butterfly lace stickers. They're the same thing. Just got two of them. Oh yeah, and husband got a bag of frozen strawberries and a bag of frozen just mixed berries. From the Dollar Tree for $1. I thought that was a pretty good deal because you usually find those at, you know, Kroger or whatever, and they're $2 or $3 a bag, sometimes more. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. Well, y'all, I know I haven't made a video for a while, but like I said, we've been pretty busy. So hopefully I'll be back in my craft room arting and crafting, and I got some new drawers and stuff from a lady on the Facebook Marketplace. She was selling them for I think like, was it $60? $60, and I talked her down to $40. Let me see if I can show you what they look like. Just don't look at my mess of a room here because it is really messy. Let me see, how do I loosen this up? This one? Is it this one? Bear with me here, guys. Let's see if I can. I don't know if you can see them. There they are. They're the ones that you get from Michael's. Whoops. Yeah. The ones that you get from Michael's. The wooden ones. But, yeah, she was wanting $60 for them, and I talked her down to $40, so I thought that was a good deal. Because you can store your paper. And I've still got like some of the drawers are empty and some of the slots for the paper are empty. I still have to. There's my paint. Look at all this mess. I'm trying to get it all straightened out though. Husband's trying to help me, and I don't know. I'll eventually get it. Still a mess down there though on the floor. Like where I keep my yarn and stuff in those Joann's bags and stuff. And then we got that mess up there. That's a whole nother story. I still got to go through though. I'm trying to get everything straightened up. Sorry. I hope I'm not showing y'all something that you shouldn't be seeing. I'm so sorry. Bear with me, please. I've got to get a better setup for this camera. Sorry. There, back to the Dollar Tree stuff. Sorry about that. Okay. Well, it's real life anyway, so. Okay, guys. I think that's it. We got to get ready. Husband has to go over and have an injection done for his low blood count, so we got to get ready for that here shortly. So, okay. I will talk to y'all another time, hopefully soon, huh? But I'll talk to you later. Bye. Or, bye. Tell them bye, honey. Bye. Bye, guys.